Quad biking is crazy, oh. Welcome to the quad life. This is the quad life, you know. We're going up in the hills. It's all quad biking. As you can see, we're in the quad bike riding, yeah. Yeah, that's how things go, yeah. That's what the quad bike is riding, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. So the thing set up the quad biking thing, today. Yeah, we're going to the quad biking thing. Peppers.
Toilette, but no paper is toilet.
Oh. Pepper. I think they're inside there. That's where they go to get whiskeys. You going out tomorrow? Oh, just for the weekend? Huh? Oh, that's good. For free. Get some chicken. Oh, that's good. Cool. You got a camel down there. Camel. Camel before, these are camels. These are the camels. They sit on the heat. So you can go for a ride on the camel. Yeah. I think there's a camel baby down there. Yeah, man. The camel around towns. Yeah. We'll go for the camels and we'll see what's going on around town. Yep. So you know, we're checking out the beauty of the place. Yep, as you can see, that's me. Around town. Yep, with the ducks, the camels. We're checking out the camels around town. You can see the birds over there and the walking. Checking out the camels. Yeah, I still have my helmet on because I do bike riding. Look at me, I'm messy. Yeah, never go riding in white. Especially when you know it's raining. It's gonna be muddy. It's gonna be filthy. Very, very filthy and muddy. Yeah, man. So that's how it is. So, yep. We do not like the muddy place. So that's it really. So then we got the cats. See, you got the kittens there. Who's that? The kittens. It's kitty. Meow. 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 Shh. Meow. 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 So they all there. Meow. How are you doing? How are you doing? You nasty me up with your feet, innit? How are you doing now? You nasty me up with your feet, oh, Papa. You nasty me up with your feet, yo. He's a pretty little puppy. Pretty little puppy, yo. What's up? Who's that over there? Hello, up. How cute we do? How you doing? How you doing, oh? How are you doing? Hey, how are you doing? How are you doing? How are you doing? You gonna pick me? Hey, what's up? Who's popping? What's up? Who's popping, huh? Those are the horses. You can see over there, the house is over there. This is my little friendy. Hello, my little friend. Hello, my little friend. How are you doing, my little friend? Where are you, my little friend? You there? You my little friend. You my little friend, huh? You like my little friend, huh? Are you my little friend? Who are you, my little friend? Come on, my little friend. Come, my little friend. Come. Come on, my little friend. You coming, my little friend? Come on. Come on, my little friend. You know my little friend. You know my little friend. You my little friend. You my little friend. In it, baby. You my little friend, in it. Jump. Come, jump. Jump. Come on. Jump. Come. You my little friend. I ain't talking to me. No. Yep. So they riding on the scooters. You my little friend. I'm heading to do some quad biking right now. And these are the bikes. You know the thing set? Yeah, man. So the quad bike is right here. That's why we're going up in the hills. And you can see, yeah, we're going up in the hills on the bike. Very mushy. And stuff there. There's a lot of us going in the bike. Up in the quad bike here.